You always have to check at this time of year, but especially after a 67-degree day yesterday.
A lot of melting, and each day it gets warmer and warmer as far as the ice out there. More melting expected today, the next day, on through the entire 8-day and beyond. We're not seeing too much of a cool down. It's kind of like Buzz Lightyear, you know, to infinity and beyond the 8-day. You're still even looking at this warmth continuing. So 40s for the next few days, 50s Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then a good shot of additional 60s waiting for us as we start the new work week. But yes, there is a little bit, pretty minor speed bump. We're talking Thursday with the chance of a rain-snow mix. So we'll be picking up on that here once we look at future track. But as of right now, the north gusts ranging, they're pretty isolated as far as those spurts of stronger winds, but they range from 15 to 25 miles per hour, and that's only going to become more widespread across the state as far as those wind gusts in the 20s, and then later on today near 20 mile per hour. So they are going to decline just a bit. Still breezy throughout the entire day. We're not going to let up the wind completely until overnight tonight, going into our calm, still warm Wednesday. Satellite and radar, you got a stream of cloud cover moving in from the west, so cutting pretty much the state in half right now, and we'll continue with more of the morning clouds, but it does get eaten away pretty efficiently once the sun rises through the morning hours. So today, mid-40s, tomorrow, upper 40s. We're knocking the door at 50 degrees, sunshine, calmer wind, so it's definitely chilly today. Nicer as we talk about 40s and actually feeling like the 40s as we go into Wednesday afternoon, then close again to 50 degrees. We are going to be talking about warmer weather for the weekend, but this is the speed bump. Overnight Wednesday into Thursday, clouds move in, setting up for late night rain chances as we hit around midnight, and that's also going to bring a chance for a rain-snow mix. We're going to have mainly to the north and northeastern portion of the state, temperatures around that freezing point. Here, central Iowa, will be just above. Not going to look at a chance for ice to form for us, but we will have more of the sprinkle to light rain chance here in the metro. Could see some minor flakes, but melt as they hit the ground. It's mainly north of Highway 30. You're going to see more shades of blue possible going throughout the morning hours. Into the afternoon, everything really pushes out to the east, so we're going to be drying out going deeper into Thursday, but it's the morning where we could see more of that rain-snow mix. Accumulations not looking very likely with how warm it's going to be, especially overnight. Look at Thursday morning. We're going to be mainly falling into the low to mid-30s as we go into early Thursday morning as that precipitation moves in. So not a great chance for it to successfully stick other than possibly grassy areas. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we are climbing back up. Very warm, nice weekend ahead, and then even deeper into the forecast, Monday and Tuesday, highs near 60 degrees.